Guys, welcome back again. This tutorial is all about how to create a website for your blog or your shop or anything at all that you want to bring online. So in doing this, you'll be using a website that we call Mavic Cloud. This website grants you a whole lot of opportunities at a zero cost but limited. So, and it's also a kind of simple to go by website. So you don't need any coding, any kind of tough skills in order to bring your stuffs online. So in doing this, I'll be sending you the link for the registration. Just tap on the link and it will bring you up to here. So here you just have to fill the form. So Gmail, agree and submit. Now here you have to sign up. Here you have to accept or read through their terms and conditions and accept. Then you fill the form up. Let's do it fast. So you just agree and tap on next. So here you have to enter your email. So after entering your email, then select your sponsor over here. If you are not sponsored by Gmail, then select your sponsor from the bottom beside. So after confirming your mail, they will send you an email containing a pin. So you have to check in your email, then get the pin. So after entering the pin, you check in here. Probably you have to answer some set of questions before you can proceed. Then if you trust your device, then you verify. Tap on OK. So here you have to sign up with the information that you previously filled. So here I'm just going to click on next and tap I'm a human, then continue. So you tap in the password that you use in registration, then tap on next. Tap accept. So after accepting, you'll be provided with this window. Just discard it and scroll down and come and select the free version. That is the student version for free. That is only 0.00 per month forever. That's what I'm trying to say here. But they kind of have a flexible promotion here, which I think is quite of good. You can get a variety at 0.99 per month. So probably if you register this plan, you probably have to pay approximately $12 for the whole kind of year. So it's kind of cheap compared to the other listing website providers. Mind you that this plan is for domain plus hosting plus SEO. That is a kind of certificate that authenticates your domain. Looking at GoDaddy, they have this only for hosting. For only hosting, you have to pay $9.99, almost $10 per month. So approximately $120 per month for only hosting. So you can think of it as this website has a whole lot of benefit. But I'm not interested in that stuff. I'm interested in providing you a free website. So these are the benefits that you get when you register the free plan. Then tap on buy. I have to enter your shop name or a domain. A domain is a unique kind of name that whenever someone enters that name into a website or a browser, it will send you to your page. It's unique and it's only meant for you. So whatever you call it, your shop, let's say the name of your shop is Mom's Favorite. So you just say Mom's, make sure that it will be in what, small letters, Mom Fav. So where do you want to tap here the kind of business that you do. Let's say it's an app, or you do an art, or it's a business, or just a blog. You can select there, a whole variety of them here. So you can select, let's say mine is a blog. Now after you have chosen your name, make sure that it's unique. If you choose a name that already exists, they will tell you. After you are done, you tap on next. Then just agree and move on. Here you have, just select I have a website, blah blah blah. So select the first one. So just say I don't need a business email. But probably if you want a business email, you can just buy it at $2.99 per year. This is very cheap, I must tell you, because business email is kind of very expensive. So tap next, and just tap next. So here the billing is just simple. Right tap anything. Let's say Junior, address, let's say Accra. The address is the city is the country. Then tap next. So here is your invoice. If you have any code provided, you just write the coupon here. But if you don't have anything to do, tap on here, then you submit. So after submitting, you have to authenticate you through your email, sorry, to your WhatsApp account. So let's say just enter your WhatsApp number here. So after typing your WhatsApp number, tap on next. So I have this. So after tapping this, you have to fill this small form. It depends. Let's say academics. Then category of let's say blog. So let's say choose a website designer here. Then you can add more to it. So website language. Just type in English. Let's go. Then generate account. So here you have to submit this code here to the WhatsApp. So in order to submit, it's either you scan this QR code, or if you are using your WhatsApp phone at the moment, just tap here on the WhatsApp 3FA, and it will just send it to WhatsApp directly. But if you are not using your WhatsApp to do the process, then just use the phone that you are using to do the process. You scan this QR code and it will just send you directly to WhatsApp. So when you are on the WhatsApp page, they will provide you with their number, and just send this code, the code at the top here, send it to the number, and they will activate you. So let's open and see hearts. So after sending the code to the number provided by them, you will see this kind of message. So one thing that you have to know is that the code is case sensitive. Small go with small, capital go with small, capital. And also it will take a number of time for the account to be activated. It's not on spot activation. So you have to keep on monitoring your email for the activation message. So now this is how the activation message looks like. So anytime or any moment from now of registration, whenever you see this message, that means that your account has been activated. Then just hop on to maybe cloud. We call that cloud mPanel. We also have cPanel. Those who know about those website systems. This one is a mPanel. So this is a panel that we use to activate and install certain things. So in our next video, we'll be talking more deep into how to install certain incentives so that your website will boom online. So bye bye for now.